What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Terra Luna Classic. We're going to be talking price predictions and Interchain wallet. We're not interested in the drama that's going on. We might touch on it a little bit. Also, the price, the market being crazy in the last couple of hours. We've seen millions of dollars liquidated in long positions and short positions. Huge manipulation at its best. If you're in my live stream, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Absolutely crazy. I'm going to take a look at all of that in this video, so be sure to subscribe to the channel. Keep up to date with everything going on in the world of cryptocurrency. Likewise with Terra Luna Classic, and let's dive into it. So, taking a look at the global market right now, up at 1.04 trillion. So we were at 1.05, pretty heavy correction, albeit we have bounced back ahead of that Fed meeting tomorrow. $23,006 on Bitcoin is hovering around that for quite some time, and ETH 1590, up 2% on the 24 hours. However, we have seen a pullback in the last hour. As we move down the list, you can see a couple of coins starting to move. Solana up 7%, as well as a couple of others starting to have a bit of a good ride. Cosmos nearly 9%. Aptos insane. Go and check that video out that I did on that. Crazy, 50% up on the last day. Absolutely insane, showing no signs of stopping. We know that obviously PancakeSwap moving over there to use that blockchain, so lots more coming with Aptos. As we come down the list, we do get to the 50th largest cryptocurrency out there right now, Terra Luna Classic, which is currently sitting and trading at that 17 to 8 range. Just 1.89 is outperforming Bitcoin, albeit very slightly. Volume has tailored back a bit, $88 million and $1.031 billion market cap. Now, with that being said, what has been going on in Interchain wallet? Now, we are still awaiting those corrections and updates to allow us to things like swap, as well as making sure that all the governance parts sit on here for Luna Classic. But we know that version 1.0.5 is done. Edward Kin will be starting to code that in, and as soon as that information is ready, but that ultimately is a big step forward for Luna Classic. Now, what has Jared got? Well, it says easy IBC transfers in station are live now. Remember, this is for Luna, but this ultimately is what's coming for Luna Classic. It says users are able to easily manage tokens cross-chain from extension, web, and desktop. And the point here is we will get this in Luna Classic as well. It will allow us to cross-chain both Luna Classic into many other different coins. You can see here Luna using the Terra chain and the destination chain being Akash. So a pretty interesting concept, and I think a huge step forward for the whole Terra ecosystem that we will get. You can see here users who have not installed Station can find a guide here. And then it also says, can we have cross-chain DApp interaction from Station? Do Alliances aim to solve that? And it says it should be doable now. I just don't know anymore using it for that purpose. I trust that this individual here, some incredible things to come from his team. So again, decentralized applications, being able to link cross-chain using the Interchain wallet, and that's why this is a huge benefit for Luna Classic. It absolutely is. And I think the more we can use and more we integrate into Interchain wallet, and the more usability Luna Classic has, ultimately the more exposure it gets, the more investment it gets, and decentralized applications will build on multiple chains if we know that by using Interchain wallet it can swap between the two. So big news. Again, everyone seems to be talking about the fact that someone's left the Terra, the layer 1 Terra team, and no one's talking about the exciting things that we've got coming with us. Like, get away from the drama. Let's talk about utility. Let's talk about the future of Terra Luna Classic. People fall out. We just need to move on. What else we got? Well, price predictions are something we've been talking about recently on the channel. But what is it kind of, where are we at now? We've obviously seen this Interchain wallet, and that's why I wanted to bring this price prediction to you guys, because actually when we think about what could come with that, then we might be in for a pretty strong ride. We've seen Bitcoin pump massively today. We know Luna depegs a little bit from Bitcoin and is a slight delay in how it pumps. But Terra Luna Classic is down 4% on the day, but it does show signs of a market reversal. Bears couldn't do a 20% decline. The bulls need to hurdle 19,621 resistance level to void the bearish outlooks. That number we're looking for, 19,621, as we head on back up to the 20s. It says Terra Luna Classic shows signs of a trend failure. Early bulls in the market may want to brace themselves for a steeper retracement. The bears can position themselves for a profitable trade idea in the coming days. Now, it will all depend fundamentally on the FOMC meeting tomorrow, but it says Luna Classic price could be an initial stage of a strong decline. On January 24th, the bears have breached the 8-day exponential moving average, forging a 3% loss. However, the diversion can be spotted with a keen eye analysis in January 15's closing price and the 22nd closing price, 18,172. The January 22nd day showed a lower reading on the RSI, which justifies the idea that the bullish trend may already have ended. But as we move down into this, we can definitely talk about the change. It says an invalidation of the downward trend would arise from a breach above the January 14th swing high market of 19,621. A breach of this level could indicate a buy-in frenzy to challenge higher liquidity levels above. The next expected resistance would come near 20,882. That bull scenario would create a 20% increase from the current Lunar Classic price. So lots of potential coming with Lunar Classic as this interchain wallet starts to build out. As we then see Lunar Classic start to move, we know that we need some good sentiment in the market, and we will absolutely get it. We're about to test that 50-day EMA. Do we break it on up to the 100? Then we could be well on our way back up to that 19.2 level, and then after that 28 is absolutely the price you're looking for. But some pretty exciting things coming with Lunar Classic. Forget the noise. People leave businesses all the time. It's about building. It's about being focused. Whenever we spend energy on nonsense, the price always struggles. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Let me know about what's on your mind with Lunar Classic. Do you think we are heading to the 19s? Do you think 20s are possible very soon? Do you think we are in the midst of a bull market? Let me know in the comments down below. As ever, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Keep up to date with everything going on with cryptocurrency, and stay positive on the channel rather than get involved in the nonsense. Be sure to have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next video.